Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a BMW again. As you know guys, we work a lot on those things. We'll show you a thing that every BMW owner will replace sooner or later. Okay, let me show you right here now what the deal is guys. If you drive a BMW, you definitely need to do that repair very soon. So if you buy a used one, always you have to make sure guys, that you ask if any of these things was replaced on a BMW that you're going to buy. One of them is the support bearing, driveshaft support bearing. The piece itself is very inexpensive. It's probably between $30 and $50 depending on the model you have. But the labor is ridiculous for replacing that one. Especially on the 7 Series right here that we have. This is the new one, you can see that's what's supposed to look like. If this one is broken like that, the drive shaft gets out of balance and what you feel vibrations inside under hard acceleration or downshifting. You can see, done. Another thing, this is the flex disc that connects the drive shaft towards the transmission. And those, you can see, look at that, how much play you have in those things there. That's where the bolts are. When you have that play, you're going to feel a really rough shift sometimes, occasionally downshifting or upshifting, but mostly downshifting. And you can even think that you have a bad transmission. In most of the cases, check this one first, because those go bad, like this one here. Car has 150,000 miles, but we've seen BMWs with less than 100,000 miles having that problems. Depending on the parts you use, make sure you use good quality parts, because there are some cheap ones that you will put on the car and they won't last as long as the original ones, and you need to do the repair and pay a ridiculous amount of money. We've heard that they charge more than $1,000 for the 7 Series to do those repairs. You can do them yourself. We have it on the channel for a 7, 3 Series, X3 and even more in the future. So hopefully guys, the video is one of those that will help you, save you some money, you know what to expect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, check out our website. We will have all the parts and tools that we use there, and links to stores where you can buy them and get you a good deal guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.